Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
Join our Facebook group, Discovering Newfoundland. Good morning from beautiful Twillingate, Newfoundland.
This morning we're going on the Twillingate Adventure Tours. We're really looking forward to it. Can't wait to see the different perspective that we're going to get on the boat.
Yeah, it should be fantastic. We're out at Twillingate Adventure Tours. We're going to be heading out in the boat. Apparently it's the fastest boat in Twillingate. Twillingate Spirit. Should be fun.
Hi, I'm Chris Scott. I'm the owner of Twillingate Adventure Tours. Me and my wife own Twillingate Adventure Tours. We also own Handing Out Harbour Restaurant and Harbour Lights Inn and Oceanside Suites. And of course, the Wharf is our new addition, which goes along with our boat tour.
So you can dine, stay, and get an adventure tour.
We call it stay, tour, and dine, actually. We got an actual package for it, so you can stay at the Harbour Lights Inn or the Oceanside Suites. You can dine at Annie's, and of course you can come tour with us at Twillingate Adventure Tours. And of course we also have the Wharf is next door to us. And you can go in there and there's 18 different kinds of beer in there. So, and you can have a drink in there, and then you can, of course, have a beautiful dining experience at Annie's. So, yeah, it's all, of course, all oceanside dining, as you can tell. We got patios everywhere, and it's all wheelchair accessible. So, we got a perfect setup, in my opinion. But I'm a little biased. This is the 5th year for us in business. We took the business over from a previous company. It didn't really look like this actually when we took over, but we bought an existing company. I was working offshore for many years in the marine industry, and so I was looking for a business to come back home to start. And this was a perfect fit for me because I'm used to being around boats and stuff. So I mean, it was one of the perfect fits. So guys, this is our new boat. It's a custom boat built for us, the Twillingate Spirit. We're quite proud of this boat. We were looking for a new boat a couple years ago, and this is a new style that I wanted to do, a new touring style. So we're quite proud to show off Twillingate Spirit here. She's 40 foot long. She's got all the safety equipment of Transport Canada, of course. She has a 50-person life raft on the back of the boat here. Seating for 40, but of course we're not taking that many these days. The boat is very, very comfortable. It's very smooth on the water. It's a different kind of tour. It's a little bit of we get in closer to the shoreline. We show off our beautiful shoreline in Twillingate we have, and all the hiking trails and everything we see here. Of course, icebergs and whales are always the star of the show, and we're always looking for icebergs and whales. But we always want to show everybody a beautiful coastline of Twillingate also, because as we know, Twillingate's awesome.
So I'm going to be pointing at a few things along the way. I don't want to be talking your ear off or nothing like that. I want you guys to sit down, relax, talk amongst yourself, and have a lot of fun on our boat ride, okay? But first thing I'm going to point out, right up here on top of this hill, we call it Hill Smith's Lookout. And you notice a big white cross up there? So that cross was erected up there in 2003, and it acts as a memorial for all the lives lost at sea around the Twillingate area. There's also a beautiful little hiking trail that brings you right up there and gives you a great view of the islands. So like I said, I'll be pointing at a few things along the way, but if you've got any questions at any time, please fire away, okay? If I don't know, hopefully Chris will know, someone will know on the boat. If not, we'll take out our phones and ask Google, okay? Guys, Twillingate is actually made up of 2 different islands, the North Island and the South Island is on this side. We call that, people here call it the North side, the South side. The South Island is actually 3 or 4 times bigger than the North Island. Along these cliff edges here now, it's a really popular place for bald eagles to hang out. Guys, and the reason they're right here is because their nest is really close. So if you look in here about halfway, a little over halfway up on the cliff, you'll see all these little sticks stuck in the side of the cliff. Right on down here close to the water. I'll break down if you ever so please. And this area down here is called Nanny's Hole. And straight ahead is Turtle Rock. See right up on top of that rock? Just like a turtle.
So do you know what that black rock is there? Or?
So you got lava dikes all along here. All around, you'll see it all through the rocks here.
Yeah.
Those are our formations. We have, of course, the volcanic lava came up through.
Jermaine was saying there's three chicks, I believe.
All three in there, so you
Yeah.
can see it from up here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see where the seagull is?
Yeah.
To the left of it, you'll see all the movement.
Two little seagull chicks.
Coastline's amazing.
Just keep an eye out, guys. You might get a nice little, it's a quick viewing of that. It's not like a humpback. Humpback's pretty slow, it puts her tail up and everything. Minke's a little different, okay? But they're beautiful, of course, on their own. So as you can see yourself, guys, you've been in Twillingate for a few days. Twillingate is an amazing area. It's got a beautiful coastline. You're right on the water. Everywhere in Twillingate is pretty much right on the water. We got amazing hiking trails, beautiful coastline, and we got so many things to do in Twillingate. We have live shows every night. We have a brewery. We have our own winery. We have 10+ restaurants. Like I said, the hiking trails, museums. It's one of these things to have a 2 or 3 day vacation in Twillingate. Is just there's so many things to do here, and it's like we're so proud of Twillingate. We put a lot of pretty much an investment in Twillingate because we believe in it so much. I grew up here all my life, and you know, we're so proud to show off Twillingate to all the people from all around the world. We're looking forward to welcoming people back, and so we hope you guys enjoy your time here, and I'm sure you will. So it's time to welcome everybody back, and we're happy to welcome people back.